Hello everyone, this is Fatale sir. I welcome you back in my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss very simple topic, that is adjective. So let's see. Adjective that give us more information about noun or pronoun by answering the one of this question. Means if you ask the question from what kind of, which one, or how many, then you will get adjective. Now see here, if I ask the question, I have a blue car. So what kind of car I have? So the answer you will get blue car. Here it is. If I ask the same questions, I have a red car. So what kind of car I have? So you will get answer red car. If I say I have red rose, so what kind of rose I have? So answer you will get a red rose. It's simple way to ask the question what kind of, which one, or how many. If you ask these questions to the noun and pronoun, so you will get answered. You will get adjective. Now in a simple another way to find out the adjective, simply if you will get the adjective, it is also described in color, it is also described in a size, shape, taste, odors, texture, sound, number, and weather. In color there are different type of color like a green, yellow, pink, like black, blue. Size also it is big, huge, enormous, little, over. Then the shapes also it given the shapes like a round shape, square shape, triangular shape. As well as taste also like a bitter, sour, twist. Odors also like a freshy, salty. Textures is given the textures like a slim, smooth, over. Then sounds it also describe the sound like a pleasant sound, loud sounds. Numbers like a few, 1, 2, 3, like this. And the weather also given like a rain, foggy, rain, windy. So these types of from this you easily understand the adjective. Now types of adjective. So the types of adjective like a descriptive adjective, then demonstrative, interrogative, possessive, and number, quantity. So these are the types of adjective. But today in this video we are going to discuss two adjectives only, and that are the demonstrative adjective and interrogative adjective. Now the demonstrative adjective, what is it is? So demonstrative adjective, here it is, this and that, and these and those. So how they are functioning, today we are going to discuss. Now see here, the things, if you want to show the nearer, the things are nearer, then you can use this. So this shamrock and that shamrock. So if the things are nearer, then you can use this, and the things are far, then you can say that. Now the same about these and those in a plural. So if the things are nearer but they are in a many, plural, so you can use this. So these shamrocks and those shamrocks. Now demonstrative adjective, now this is singular and this is plural, the object is nearer us, and that singular and those is plural, that object is far away from us. Now this is exercise for you all. What you have to do, you can take a screenshot, either you can pause this video and write all the questions, and please answer me in the comment box. I will answer you back your correct answer of these questions. So this is for you all, for your exercise. So please pause this video, either you can take a screenshot and solve it and comment me in the comment box. I will answer it, each and every comment. Now the next topic, that is interrogative adjective. What is actually interrogative adjective? Interrogative adjective are the words such as the which words, which, whose, what, that are used along with the noun to ask the questions. Means interrogative word that is always used to ask the questions. For example, what books are you reading? So if you are reading in kind of book, so what book are you reading? Yeah, what is your name? Who are you? So like these questions you can ask by using interrogative adjectives, right? Now they are who, whose, whom, which, and what. The simply you can ask how to use an interrogative adjective. Today we are going to discuss the same things. Now here the interrogative pronouns are used to be the questions. Now who, if the who you are going to use the who for the people, use as the subject of the verb. Who loves pipe? Who owns yesterday? So the answer you will get the number of the people or person. Now whom for the peoples as well, used at the object and a verb or a prepositions. Here it is use of whom. So the verb with object and you went with whom. So here it is, with is shown with preposition with object. Whose for the people, used for the possession, it shows the possessions. So whose is this? Yeah, whose own the race, so it shows the positions. What, used for the people, used for an animals and the things. What is that? Yeah, what do you mean? And the last one, which one, used for the people, used for the people, animals and the things. Which is the smarter, and which is the faster, which is the heavier. So simply you can ask the questions from which, what, whom. Now WH words with an example. So now here it is some the examples you can ask from the what is your name. Just I have given one more example prior. When did he live? Where do you live? Which color do you want? Who opened the door? So by using WH words you can ask the questions to others. Thank you for the watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I hope your adjectives and their types has been cleared. If you have any queries regarding it, please inform me in the comment box. Thank you very much.